Is Picture 2 actually good? After testing this forever, I finally found the perfect setting for that classic auto-tune sound in FL Studio Mobile. Kind of.
I wanna dress up our system. I'd like to fashionize wisdom. I wanna inhale design. I wanna catwalk my own way.
This is the highest setting I can push on Picture 2 to get that classic auto-tune sound. Can't take it any further than that.
What?
These settings work on any vocal you throw on. Let's dive in. Set your key and scale to match your beat. Make sure the key and scale are the same as the beat. Set speed to fast. That's what gives you the classic auto-tune sound. Our work is done here. Let's head over to the expression. Set sensitivity to a range of 70 to 100%. Set stability to 100%. That's it! These are the exact settings for that classic auto-tune sound.
I wanna dress up our system. I'd like to fashionize wisdom. I wanna inhale design. I'd like to style my divine.
Process sibilance controls whether S and T sounds get pitch corrected too. For our hard tune effect, we don't need this. The robotic sound comes from the vowels, so we'll leave it off.
Design. I'd like to style. No one can shoot my beauty. My label is free of duty. I wanna dress up our system. I'd like to fashionize wisdom.
Form and shift changes the size of the voice without touching the pitch. You can use it for a cool effect.
I'd like to style my divine.
I've noticed Picture 2 handles slow, held out vocals really well, but it doesn't track fast rap flows as cleanly.
At the peak of his powers, he battled the Justice League and the Teen Titans. They couldn't even get one hit off. Treat every day like the playoffs, never took a day off. I was up while you was sleeping. This shit means more to me than just...
What do you think about Picture 2? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.